local newspaper and the home of the former mayor. 3 police cruisers are nearly flattened into blue and white pancakes. The rampage continues unabated for over 90 minutes. Until finally, the Killdozer falls silent from a busted radiator. Cops have to use a crane to force open the top. Inside, the man has tragically taken his own life with a shotgun. The town is in shambles. And yet, not a single injury resulted from this horrific devastation. Neighbors say the man wasn't trying to hurt anyone.
Mira la máquina.
He just wanted to make a point.